Ladies and gentlemen, how you guys all doing? Thank you for tuning in once again to your favorite YouTube channel. This is Don Loco Show. Should in case you are new on this channel, do me a favor, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so anytime I upload a video like this, you will definitely notify. To my old subscriber, I want to say thank you. If you're a new one or you're just passing by, guys, take a seat, sit down. First of all, like me this video. I have seen a lot of people that are doing crazy mistakes that when they want to buy cars, they do them tomorrow, they'll be crying about cars. I will give you guys the simple tip that if you want to buy a car, second-hand car, if you follow this tip, you are going to have the best car in any way you find yourself in the world. If you are ready, let's go. Number one. Number one, don't buy a car if you want to buy a second-hand car. I will tell you, don't buy a car to somebody that is below 50. If you want to enjoy second-hand car, go to somebody that is already above 50. Those people, they know how to take care of a car. They know how to pamper it. They know how to move around with a second-hand car. If you are going for the young guys, believe me, you are going to be in problem, because anytime you say that is having an issue, they are not ready to refund your money. And beside that, they know that this thing might not be good. They still want to sell. So first of all, for you to buy a car, first of all, start looking at the age group. If you think that this person is an adult person that is above 50, start thinking of that particular car. If they are written there for sale or you have an idea that they want to sell, first of all, that is number one tips. That's number one criteria I want to put to you. Domain, whether it is a mechanic or whosoever, make sure you pay his commission, so that should in case something happen, he will take responsibility. He will go there to check the car, identify the fault. Some tips that you don't know. If you are not familiar with cars, go and look for a specialist in that domain of car checking, so that you can check, you can verify everything and tell, okay, I think this car will be okay for you, so that in case something happen, you can go back to him and ask him question. You propose this car to me, you accepted it, you check the car and tell me, okay, I think this car is good for you, you can buy it and stuff like that. Either you take the responsibility to fix it, or you take the responsibility to go and meet the guy, or whatsoever transpired. In that domain, you can have guarantee to buy a very good second-hand car. Don't go alone. You to maintain. They are not easy for you to maintain. I am not disrupting any car, but believe me, there are some particular brand of car that you cannot maintain, you cannot run them. Despite the fact you might see they might be selling a little bit affordable, but to maintain it is the problem. You have to understand from these tips. Before you go to a car or that you want to go and buy a car, you have to look from these tips. If this car, you can maintain it, or if you have an issue, can you easily maintain it? Because I am saying this, don't just see a car and you think, oh, I think this car is good because the price is affordable. Sometimes the price might be affordable, but to maintain it is a problem. You have to put that at the back of your mind first before you want to go and buy a second-hand car. If you don't do this, you are going to be in big problem. Because I've seen a lot of people doing this particular mistake in the name of cars, that they want to buy cars, they want to buy big cars or stuff like that. Put that in your mind. Don't buy car today, tomorrow, and you think you want to sell or do something like that. Another fourth way that you can buy good and second-hand cars. If you are in Cyprus, they have some social media handles that you can easily pass to. You can go either to Bazaraki, it's like Amazon, Facebook Marketplace. These are some of the areas that you can go there and you go and check if you can have good second-hand cars, because that is where they put it. It is easy for you to find it there, and you see, you cross-check, you look all, if you have all what it takes, then before you can go into the domain of finding specialists, finding age of the people that are having cars. These are some of the mistakes people do, and at the same time you listen tomorrow, they'll be crying, oh, this my car is like this is my car like this, I was due to buy this car because it was this. If you put all of this together, believe me, you are going to have a good second-hand car that you can manage, you can run your activities, you can do your business with. Without not wasting my time, thank you for watching this particular episode. This is Don Loco Show. In case you are new, please do me a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will definitely notify. And before that, if you have anything or you think I've forgotten another tip or I'm not explaining anything that you cannot or that you don't understand, please leave me comment in the comment section. Subscribe is free, sharing is free, liking video, all these things on social media that are free. You pay your Wi-Fi. Support my career, because only you're watching, your subscription, you're liking, you're sharing, it will give me more courage to do other videos that you will enjoy. Please stay tuned as I keep on giving you a lot of episodes here in Cyprus.